During the first stage, I collected the materials and marked them out. I collected 4 long pieces of wood and marked them out for the shade of my lamp. Here is what my wood would look like once it was marked out. Once the wood was marked out, I cut them into pieces. And after cutting out the wood, I marked out this point where I would drill holes in order to create the shade of the lamp. After the points were marked out, I drilled the holes using the driller. I drilled holes on my wood in order for me to stack up the wood to make my shade for my lamp. Here are some footage of me trying to stack up the wood as well as the finished product. As seen in this footage, the holes on the wood weren't drilled accurately. That's why when the wood were piled up, it didn't look neat. But it still looked very nice. After it was piled up, I cut off the piling stick and then I glued the shade of my lamp. After the glue was dried, I started sanding my lampshade. I should have sanded before I glued my lampshade, but since it was stuck, I had to glue it and then sand and smooth. In order to make the base of my lamp, I had to first cut out a piece of acrylic and then sand it to make it more accurate, so that it can fit my lampshade. Next, I cut out a circle and another circle inside the circle as the lamp holder. And then I used a chisel to cut the inner circle out. And then I drilled a hole in order for the wire to fit in the lamp holder. Next, I glued the wire for the lamp onto the lamp holder and connected the wires onto the terminal and screwed it so it can be secure.